I'll see you fellas in the spring. Well, that happened fast. Holy crap, it got western. So, hanging out here, and I had to pop out right there and started moving with a purpose. So I shot through that little hole right there, hit her, and then she ran right there, and that's her white belly. She's down. She was twitching a little bit, so I'll give her some time. But oh, yep, the old Kentucky long rifle, Kentucky rifle kit, got it done again. Looked like a pretty good shot too. I saw the blood coming out. It should have been right. She didn't go with 25 yards. Well, fellas, I don't know if I'll come back out to the farm again. I don't know. I saw one buck, a little buck, but mainly it's been does, and to be honest, I only have so much freezer space left. And my buddy Brandon, he's not ginger snap. He's not coming back. Sorry, my nerves are getting in the way a little bit. So, yeah, it's been pretty chilly. It's been windy and everything too. And the funny thing is, she came in the way I walked in. And earlier today, when I walked in down here, the owner's fixing the drive, by the way. So I'm hunting a different part of it. I've never hunted down here. I had 2 turkeys come out earlier, and then a squirrel eating a hedge apple. The wind's been good because it's been blowing to my right, but I'm in this homemade box stand. But yeah, I thought she was gonna spot my movement, but once I saw her, I froze, and then she kept walking, and I grabbed my rifle real quick and stuck it through this little corner slot right here and put it on her. And I'll tell you what, that dual trigger, I really like it. That hair trigger, man, you touch it and it goes. I still think it's shooting just a tad bit low, but once season's done, I'm gonna bring it out here, and there's a field on the other side of this driveway, or I guess you can call it a driveway. That's where we do our shooting, and I want to shoot it some more. I don't like the benches at the gun range because I don't hold it right, and ends up tearing up my shoulder and bruising my cheek real bad. The elevation for shooting like that is perfect, but I think I'm holding it, my cheek well isn't the same. So I shot the first doe standing. I shot this doe kind of, seated / pushing forward a little bit because I rested it on the counter on the windowsill. I try to take out as much human error as possible, but she ain't getting up. I don't think she's breathing, so we'll give her a few more minutes, but I think she's dead. I'm gonna go put all my gear by her, and then I don't even know if I'm gonna put another shot in the rifle. But that's pretty cool, man. Oh. That's good. We cooked the tenderloins last night. Oh man, they were good. Wrapped them in bacon and a Montreal steak seasoning and some salt, and then wrap them in bacon, and then sear them, and then throw them in. Take them out. Cut you up some potatoes. Put them in a skillet. There, in a cast iron skillet, and put your tenderloins back on top of that, and then throw them in the oven till they're done. Until they're done the way you like them. I probably cooked them a little too long, but they were still good, real good. And that bacon just—it's like if you've ever had a bacon wrap fillet, that's what it is. It's just smaller because it's a deer. Yeah, we have a few more minutes, and then we got to walk up the big giant hill and around and get the truck. And there we go, man. She came up quiet, too. I mean, I thought I heard something walking around back there, but I don't know if it was her or not. But yeah, she definitely came out. She was moving, too. There is a herd of them, and I thought that's what it was. So I looked behind her through this little crack to see if there was any more, but she was big enough. But I tell you what, man, I'm liking the cap lock. Now my inline's cool, but it's just so easy. It literally is so easy. But to hunt with something like that and and get it done like that is to me is really cool. Um, and to still be able to do it. I mean, there's once you get older to a certain age, you might not be able to hunt with iron sights. So, but I put all that together. I stained the wood. I sanded it. Trimmed pieces out to make it fit. I patinaed all the brass on it because I didn't want it shiny. I blued the barrel, and so it's really cool I went through the pain of learning how to sit that right on your arm, because you don't sit it on your shoulder. It goes between your shoulder muscle and your bicep. And if you put it on your shoulder, it will scrape the skin off your shoulder. I'm shooting 90 grains with a 385 grain Great Plains conical, no patch. And I tell you what, it shoots every bit of an inch and a half at 100 yards. She's a shooter, for sure. But that was cool. I don't know. I might come. I don't know. We get 4 tags in Kentucky. I still ain't shot a buck yet. There's supposed to be a nice buck on public land, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I got a lot going on. I really want to get my certifications. So Ginger Snap just hit me up. He said, "Sweet." He can't come back. He got bronchitis, so he's out for this weekend. I was going to take him on public land, but that doesn't look like it's happening. So yeah, she's not a huge doe, but she ain't a small one either. At least from what I saw, she's about the size of my last one. That's weird though, because all the does I've seen, they've all been together. I hope she is not a he and it's a spike. I didn't have time. I didn't want her to get too far away. Plus, I got a big blind spot right here. I'd have to I would have not set this up this way, but hey, it worked out. Y'all take it easy. I'm gonna go take all my stuff and check her out, and then I gotta go get the truck, and my signal's not great down here. I can get text, but I can't load websites. But I'll tell her check her in, and I'll come back down here with the truck and pull her up with a ratchet strap and take her to the gut hole and start the work. Y'all take it easy. There's a blood trail. There's deer. That is insane. I've never seen that. Not with a 30-06, not with a 308, not with a Magnum load 270 grain muzzle loader. Nope, 385 grain. Hornady, Great Plains, 90 grains of powder. Thumped her, I'd say 25, 30 yards, and that blood trail looks like spray paint. Well, guys, I was mistaken. I don't know if it was the light or what, but that's a big doe. That is a really big doe. She's twice of the size of the... That is huge. Wow. I'll tell you what, man. That 385 grain really puts it on. Yeah. I hit her on the other side. Oh, flip her over, but yeah, she's a big one. Got the Betsy right here. Oh, perfect shot. Right there. Wow. This might be a little graphic for y'all. But look at that. That is what that bullet does. Holy crap. Whoa. The impact. I've never seen that before. Wow. Talk about devastation. That is wow. She's big. She's a really big doe. Sweet. I mean, I've killed bucks that big. Little 8-pointers and stuff. That is a big body deer. All right. Well, let's get her checked in and make sure I got my keys on me. It's I don't know, it's at least 3/4 of a mile walk. And that sun's going down. Oh. So I always wear my headlamp. Wow, she's big body. I can't believe that. That is just absolute. Sorry, I'm gonna have to do some fat boy yoga real quick. Man, this place is so beautiful. I got my pull up on. I'm gonna have to take that off. Yeah, I got my keys. Got my keys. Well, I guess I can take my backpack and everything. Oh, yeah, it's got my license in it and all that, my hunting license. Oh. Oh, man. So that's the box blind I was in. And then she came out. Oh, no. No, that was like a 25-yard shot. That was nothing. Wow. Huh. I didn't have long to put it on her too. I had that little slit. And so when she was moving, but yeah, I'll tell you what, man, that thing's freaking deadly. I might not have to file it down. That was right where I was aiming. And I guess it has to do all with my cheek well. Oh, I gotta go that way. And then, oh crap. Oh wow. I might have to walk the fire break. I might have to get Zach, see if Zach's here, and bring the four-wheeler. Get her out to the field. All right, I gotta go, guys. I got a lot of work. It's gonna get dark. She's big. She's a lot bigger than I thought she was. And there's a chance I might have to drag her up this hill, because I don't do the four-wheelers. I had a bad accident, and I don't get on them things anymore. I found out I have too much fun on them, and too much fun means the four-wheeler goes one way and I end up going another and rolling down a hill. So but yeah, I want to get going. This is definitely probably the biggest doe I've ever shot. I shot one about this size with a crossbow, but I think this one's got it. But oh man, yeah. Like, I've never seen that much stuff come out of the mouth. Her eyes bulged. I mean, this thing full whacked her. My inline might be for sale after this, to be honest with you. All right, y'all take it easy.